Hello everyone, hope all of you are having a great weekend. As promised, I'm back this Saturday with the weekend market analysis. Before we jump onto the charts, a quick announcement. Trading options using price action, the course that a lot of you have been asking for, is now live on the app. Link to the app is in the description. So go check it out. Limited seats. Grab your seat before it's booked out. Right? If you have any questions about the course, the content, anything, there's a chat in the app. You can put down your questions, you'll get the answers. All right, so let's get started. So first up, we have Bank Nifty. So weekly, as we can see, the trend is clearly up, right? And we made an all-time high, and now we are in a very tight consolidation, which I would say is a good sign, right? So this is the area which is around 41,500 to 41,800. Sorry, 42,500 to 42,500 to 42,800, where price is bounced from this time around, and we got four weekly bars which are in a very tight range. One, two, three, four. Right, last two have become even more tighter. So we can expect a big move coming in this week or the next. Right, we also have the budget coming in. So definitely, I mean, a big move is on the cards. Right, how you're positioning yourself is something that we'll discuss. So on the daily again, the uptrend is still intact. We have a very tight consolidation here, right? So unless we break 41,500, this is something that I've said repeatedly. Unless we break 41,500, I will have a bias towards the upside, right? And then same story on the hourly as well. So this is a very good resistance, 42,700. If you look at it, this one, right? So this is what, yeah. So this is what I'm keeping a very close eye on. This is 41,700. And if you look at it, we are making this is the low, this is a higher low. We are constantly making higher lows here. So what the price action is suggesting, this I don't know whether this is going to be a pivot or not, but yeah, there's a higher low formation which is very visible, and we've hit this. This is kind of a resistance that we are at. So the bias here also is on the upside. If we break 41,700, we can easily go up to 43,500. It's 42,700. We can easily go up to 43,500 and such. The way I am playing this is so I have taken a kind of a ratio spread here, 43,100 call. Which I'm long on, and then we have the so this is more like a debit converted into ratio. So let's see how this works out. For those who do not understand options, who do not know what I'm talking about, debit spread and ratios and all. So we also have a free series on the app, right? Go for people who want to learn options, who are new to options. Go check that out. There are three lectures. And I've gotten really good feedback from people in terms of how they are able to get to know options through that series. So check that out if you're new to options. If you are aware of the options, you know what is debit spread and ratios and all, not needed. Right, so this is the position. This is how I'm set up for the coming week. I This position ideally one could take after the breakout happened, but generally what I've seen is once the breakout has happened, I mean the premium zoom up really fast, and then you do not get the kind of reward to risk that you would ideally want. So what I what I did here, I was getting really nice premium, so I created this debit spread. So this is the view on Bank Nifty. Coming on to Nifty, again the weekly is very tight. Last 4 weeks, very tight. Then daily. So in this, daily is not in an uptrend. That is one thing to note. So this was the previous pivot low, right, which got broken, and now it's neither in an uptrend nor in a downtrend, right? So if you look at this, this was the previous pivot low. This got broken here, and now we've not made a lower low as well. So if this gets broken, which is 17,750, so below 17,750, we will be in a downtrend, right? Below this. Presently, we are in a range, so to say. We are neither in an uptrend nor in a downtrend. So again, very important levels here: 17,750 on the downside, and on the upside, this is what I'll be looking at: 18,200, 18,250. So let's take 18,250. Break of any of these levels is expected to give a good directional move, right? So yeah, so these are the indices that I wanted to talk about. Then Biocon, something we discussed in our last weekly analysis. So we are waiting for this to get to 210 to 20 zones, right? So it came down a bit this week, right? So we got a good four around 4% down move. So still around 25 to 30 points more to go. Once we reach somewhere around 210 to 20, I would be very interested in building a position in Biocon. So I'll keep tracking this in our videos. Whenever I see that some action is happening, I'll update you guys. Hope all of you liked the video. Do share your feedback in the comments, and do not forget to like and also share it with the people you feel might like this kind of a crisp, quick market analysis. All right. Cool then. Have a nice weekend. Take care. Bye.